Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Every time I look at my Tesla Model Y, it just feels something was missing up front. This is not aggressive enough to fit how slick the whole car looks. So today, I got a front lip spoiler. It completely transformed the look. Thanks EV Base sending me this carbon fiber glossy looking spoiler. It's really easy to install. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can use my code SILICON, get 20% off. So the first step is really easy. You're just gonna connect the side spoiler into the middle spoiler. So there's a slot you put in there, and also they give you the screws. You can just connect those two pieces together. And repeat the same thing for the right side spoiler. Next step, you will flip the spoiler over and you will see there's a screw hole you can connect in here, and also same on the right hand side. So that's where you're going to put the other two screws, secure this two piece. Alright, so I got this spoiler in one piece. And the next step is to remove a few clips out from the car. So for my car, it's a 2023 Tesla Model Y. In the bottom, they have total 6 clips. So in order to install this new front lip spoiler, you need to remove the 4 clips in the middle. All right, so I got 1, 2, this is the third one. All right, this is the fourth one. All right, I got those 4 clips out, so now it's time to install the new one. Next step is just quick clean this front bumper. Make sure there's no dust between the double-sided tape and your spoiler. Once you cleaned up the front bumper, now you can remove this double-sided tape, same on the other side, and then you can just put on the bumper. You want to try to aim this middle section kind of in the middle of the grill, so it's right in the middle. And from the bottom, you're supposed to see the holes matching where you'll remove this quick push clips. That way you can put the new ones in there. So you're basically putting 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Just make sure they're all the way pushed in. To connect all the clips, you want to make sure this adhesive is fully positioned and it's firmly pressed down. Not for my Model Y, but some of the cars you can actually push another 2 push clips in the front for those side spoilers, but mine, there's nothing there to push into. This is how it looks like after I install it. Everything took less than 15 minutes. Looks pretty good, right? Just a quick reminder, this is how it looks like before. This is how it looks like now. Alright, that's the install. I got to say, it totally changed the front look. It absolutely looks more aggressive and it gave the performance vibe. Plus, it adds some extra protection for the bumper too. If you are thinking about upgrading your Tesla's look, this is definitely one of the easiest mods to start with. I'll drop the link in the description, and don't forget to use my code SILICON for 20% discount. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful, make sure to give me a like and a subscribe. I'm still trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I'll see you guys next time.